Hello, I'm Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife, and I am so grateful you are here. Today I'm going to tell you a really brief story about going from kind of the doldrums, the uncreative, the lack of spark place into a place of so much better, so much richer, so much fuller life, because that's where I've been. I have been in a place of extreme darkness. I have been in a place of numb, kind of out of touch, not feeling much of anything. I have been in a place where I worked for the local government as a bureaucrat and felt myself slowly fall asleep and not be able to recognize the person who I'd become. When I look at photos of myself from that period, my eyes are like this. They're like half shut. And this is when my children were really small, babies. My one daughter was a baby, and I missed so much of it because I wasn't fully awake or alive. And then I discovered ways to bring creativity into my life, starting in the smallest way. I started writing morning pages and journaling, and a very simple practice ignited an entirely new phase of my life. I started becoming who I am today, the Creative Life Midwife, and I began working with people to ignite their own creativity. In fact, that's how I got the name Creative Life Midwife. As one of my very early students said, Julie, you midwife us. You bring us to life in ways we didn't even know were possible. So that's what I'm here for. That's my purpose. That's my passion. I would love to get to know you better and perhaps have a transformational conversation with you, a free 15-minute conversation where we could talk about where your life is now and where you would like your life to be, and how we could use creative practices and really cool projects to bring your life to its next step. If you will look in my profile, or in the description box right below this video, you will see a place to contact me and request that conversation. I would love nothing better than that. Also, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to this video and pop any questions you have in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. It is a privilege to come alongside you as you discover your life more creatively. The world is waiting for your words. Let's get them on the page now.